Continuing with 8.2 question number 8. So you can see here, if x is to 21 equals 8 is to 24. So remember, they're asking us to find the value of this x. Okay, so I can write this like this, right? And we'll be using the formula what? Product of extreme equals product of mean. Alright, so extreme means what? X and 24, and then mean means this 21 and 8, right? So I've written here product of extreme x, product means multiplication, right? So into then 24. Same thing again here, the mean 21 I've written, product means multiplication, and I'm writing down this 8. All right, so when you multiply x into 24, you'll simply get 24x. Then 21 into 8, just leave it as it is. All right, now this x, I need it, right? So this 24 will go down to the denominator. Clear? Then 8 ones are 8, 8 3s are 24, then 3 ones are, then 3 7s are 21, and that is how I'll get the value of x, the unknown variable, to be equal to 7. Alright, same thing here again, we'll be finding the value of x again. Alright, so product of extreme equals product of mean. Extreme means what? 39, 42, and then mean is 39 and x. Alright, so I've written it for us here. Clear? Product of extreme equals product of mean. So when I multiply 39 into x, I'll get 39x, right? And now remember, I'm trying to find this x, so this 39 will go down to the denominator. Then 13 ones are 13, 13 3s are 39, 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 4s are 12, and that is how I'll get a value of x to be equal to 14. Alright, 12. If x, 10 and 20 are in continued proportions, then find a value of x. So remember, now just 3 terms are there, right? Which means I'll be able to use that formula, b square equals a square. Right, b square means what is 10 is b, right? X is a, 10 is b, and then c is 20, right? So b square equals ac. So b is how much? 10, but 10 square, right? So 10 square, a is x, so I've written here, and then c is how much? C is 20, right? Now if you multiply this x into 20, we'll get 20x. 10 square means what? Simply 10 into 10, which means I'll get, when I multiply 10 into 10, I'll get 100, right? So I've written here, I'm trying to find the value of this x, so this 20 will go down to the denominator. 20 ones are, then 25s are, and that is how I'll get the value of x to be equal to 5. Alright, let's do the last. If 100 gram of sugar is needed to make 5 cups of tea, alright, 100 gram is needed to make 5 cups of tea, then how many cups of tea will make for how much? 700 gram of sugar. When we use 700 gram of sugar, how many cups of tea we can make? Since we don't know, I'm going to take let x be the number of cups. Okay, so now when you look at this table here, quantity of sugar, number of cups, right? So for 100 gram, how many cups of tea we can make? 5 cups, right? We also find for 700 gram how many cups of tea we can make. So x, right? So this can simply be written like this. All right, 100 is to 700 gram equals 5 is to x, right? And once we have written that down, once again, simply product of extreme equals product of mean. So my two extreme are what? 100 and x, products multiplication, right? And what are the two mean? 705, right? Alright, so now 100 into x, I'll simply get 100x, then 700 into 5, you just keep it like that. Alright, I'm trying to find this x, the number of cups, right? So this 100 will go down to the denominator. Then I'm gonna cut this 1 2 1 2, right? Then I'm having 7 5s are 35. So how many cups of tea we can make? We can make 35 cups.